start with a quick introduction of a few seconds where you can introduce yourself, your name, nationality, and occupation, please.
Yeah, I am Jaideep. I'm Jaideep Day, and I'm an Indian. And I'm talking to you because my son, Priyanshu Day, has got registered with Ganberry for his future universities in medical science. And mm, that's all. And I'm working with shipping organization here in Dubai for the last 13 years as a finance head here at Dubai.
Great, sir. Thank you for that. So let's start with our first question. Could you please tell us about which university Priyanshu has got selected into and what program is he looking to pursue?
Priyanshu actually has tried for 4 universities, medical universities in Czech Republic, and Maastricht, Palaki, Charles Faculty 1 and Charles HK. He got selected in all the 4 universities, but he has taken Charles HK for his further medical science graduation. He would love to do it from HK.
Great, sir. So could you tell us why out of all the 4 options you have opted for Charles HK faculty? Is there any particular reason?
It means there are some feedbacks and of course I have been always in touch with Ganberry about to understand the previous students' feedback on kind of universities and everything. So with his connections also, which is much stronger in HK, we have decided HK will be the much better place. Of course, all the certifications are from Charles only, but still with the kind of analysis what I personally made and can discuss with Ganberry and all other students who are there in HK and with Priyanshu as well, we decided to go with HK.
Great, sir. So now, sir, there are a lot of agencies in Dubai that offer educational services. So I wanted to know what was that one thing or couple of things that you liked about Gyanberry that you decided to go with us, sir? Could you let us know what was it that exactly impressed you about our agency that you thought this is it that I should go with it?
This is something very my reply will be very different as because I am attached with Ganberry from 2017. So 2017 is the year when my elder one was going for his bachelorship or undergraduate in engineering, when I got in touch with some other source because he was very passionate of doing it from Germany. So we were not having any idea about all these things at that moment, but through his this thing, when we got in touch with Ganberry, and that is the point when our relationship started. So he successfully got a chance in a very good university in Germany through Ganberry. Then there is no looking behind and no alternate search also from my side. That day itself we decided whenever my younger one is about to take any future university, Ganberry will be the place where I should go, and that is what I have done. So for me, I don't have any other connection or any other choice for any other agency. It was Ganberry right from beginning until that stands the same.
Great, sir. That is very, very pleasing to know, sir. So I wanted to know, are you satisfied with the options that we gave you, or were there any universities that you wanted to apply to but you were not able to because it was not within our partner?
Frankly speaking, we were more interested in for the Czech universities. So Ganberry was the best place because I was getting all the good universities from them. But of course, I was having an option to think about other university, particularly in Italy. I got one from Ganberry, that Cattolica University. That option I got, but there are few more good universities and more better ranked universities in Italy, which I of course feel like if Ganberry in future can accommodate those also in their partnership list, so it will be good for the future students as well.
Definitely, sir. We will make a note of this. So we as a company, we have tried our best to keep in touch and keep the parents aware of everything that's happening with their applications in universities. We have tried to arrange webinars, Charles University webinars, mock exam webinars. So I want to know, sir, how do you think these were? Do you think they were helpful and they gave you all the, maybe you were not sure about certain things previously, but after these webinars, you've got a better idea about it. Do you think they've helped you in any way?
No, that was an excellent service, I should say, because the whole world has become different. The way what it was during 2017, 18, and all, when I was trying for my elder one, getting to an online platform and all competitive things are happening online, and so it was a completely new thing. The setups, how it will work like, and all. So definitely Canberra has kept us aware of everything which is happening till the last moment. The students successfully attempts those exams properly, with, of course, with all their education facilities, and also guiding them how to attempt, how to do the exams and all those things. So it was excellent experience as far as this sort of examination, which was never been an idea earlier for parents like us.
Thank you very much, Sadhya. So now, since you've been through this entire process of, admissions, shortlisting universities, applying to universities, is there anything or any tip or suggestion you would like to provide to future parents who are looking to apply to the medical universities in the future for their children, keeping in mind whatever you have gone through and something that will be helpful for them?
Yeah, I can only sum up that one in one or two words. That is, start as early as possible. For me, the most comfortable thing was like we started very early with Ganberry, even for my elder one and even for this boy. And when you start like in August, September, something, you start coordinating, it becomes very easy for you to really get into the things, understand documentation and all those things. So you have enough time after that to complete all your initial things and focus only for the exams part of it. So the more you start early, is much better.
That is indeed a very good advice for the parents. Lastly, sir, could you give us an overall feedback about Gyanberry? Could you let us know if there's any particular person you want to highlight or any instance that made you happy in your entire journey with Gyanberry?
Everything is happy with Gyanberry. I will always say that, and you will not believe, I have been always saying to everybody who is coming to me for any suggestion for their kids and all, like which place I should go to coordinate. And I personally have guided so many people to Gyanberry, because see, when you get everything at one stop, why going around and just checking for some few bucks here and there? I don't believe in that philosophy. So my issue, even if I am comfortable with little more or little less, whatever it is, I should be with those people who makes me comfortable. So Pooja, you have been very cool right from beginning when we started about the inquiries, and Sukanya, Nancy, huge support. And Tej, I know him, Mr. Tej, I know him from long before. So I don't need to again compliment, because of Tej only Gyanberry is what it is today. So I don't need to add anything for Mr. Tej. So it's all very, very pleasant and comfortable and very convincing approach of keeping the other party in a very comfortable and convinced mindset.
Thank you, sir. That is very, very overwhelming to know that you are very happy with our services, and that is what we always aim in doing. So I really wish Priyanshu all the best, and congratulations again, sir, for everything, for your success, and I wish him success in life. And if there's anything that we can help you with, even now, if there's anything, we'll always be available for you.